Hi guys, it is Laura outside lounging on the patio. We just got new cushions this year, but guess what? We got the same cushions that we got 3 years ago and they lasted fantastically, so we just got them again. So let me show you. They are comfy, they are bright and fun and real festive for this area. Now we have a pool over here, so this is perfect for lounging, watching the kids play in the pool. I wanted to show you the thickness of it because my bum likes to sit on cushion when I need to be cozy. So they are nice and thick, durable with the material. So what we do is we have a pressure washer that we use to pressure wash the furniture off when they get dirty, whether it's bird poop or kids spilling things or anything like that. But let me show you, well, let's see. First of all, it ties on the chairs. Can you see that? So they stay on there, so they're not gonna move all around. But let me show you, I haven't thrown out the cushions from 3 years ago. They are still totally usable. We just wanted a freshen up look. So let me show you how dirty they are. And they sit out in the elements because we put our umbrella down every night because where we are, it's awfully windy. So we don't want the umbrella. So they obviously sit out in the elements of sun, sleet, snow, and such. But here is just how dirty it got. Not too shabby, I might say. And that is cleaning them. Well, I think I do it twice in the summer months, and then I do it once before I pack them away for winter. So if you are in the need of some cushions outdoor and they liven up the area, this would be one I would use.